Children's Mental Health Awareness Week kicks off tomorrow. Nashville's regional intervention program is hosting a free spring festival for families. Melissa Binkley and Hannah Deckhouse here now to talk more about what's planned. Ladies, good morning and thank you for being here. When we think about mental health awareness when it comes to the youth, I feel like we often talk about, teenagers and young people, but to think that young children can also be impacted when y'all are helping these preschool age kids and so on. Melissa, what are their impacts looking like? What are the challenges that these kids are facing?
Yeah, that's a great question. And we definitely think about big kids sometimes when we think about mental health challenges. When we're talking about little kids, we're really talking about laying the foundation for lifelong mental health. So a majority of brain development happens when children are very, very young, before their 5th birthday. And so these children are learning in those environments how to form secure relationships, how to explore and manage their emotions, and then how to explore their environment and really learn. And we're doing all of that before they turn 5.
Wow, that's amazing to think about, especially I'm a new mom, so I'm just learning all of this myself. So what should parents be keeping in mind, Hannah, when they're looking at their children and thinking about ways that they can support them?
Yeah, so they can just be learning how to do that serve and return of thinking of like a tennis match of you say something and wait for them to babble back, and then you babble back to them.
Okay. Or is there a point, Melissa, when parents need to say, okay, I need to step in and get some additional supports for my child? And what does that look like?
Sure. I think anytime you have a concern about a behavior that you're seeing from your child, the first place we'd point you is your pediatrician. Okay. They are an expert in all things little kids, and they can help you get on the path to finding positive outcomes and solutions for your family.
Okay, well, easy enough, straightforward. And y'all are having this event for children and families in the community. Tell us a little bit more about what's coming up this weekend.
Yeah, we're really excited. This is our first ever Spring Festival event. We've got about 17 vendors of resources, live music, food. The Nashville Fire Department will be there with a truck for the kids to explore, lots of games and activities.
Okay, and are y'all going to be providing some resources as well for the community?
Yeah, absolutely. Mental health resources, school resources, all sorts of things.
Okay, tell us a little bit more, Melissa, about the program itself and how y'all work with families.
Yeah, great. RIP is a parent-implemented, professionally supported program. So what that means is that families come as a family unit and work with their child directly and other people's children to help support their growth and development. So families come to RIP when they're experiencing challenging behaviors. And that could be anything from tantrums to running away, defiance. I mean, picture a 3-year-old, right? Those are the behaviors that we see at RIP. We have no diagnosis requirement. The program is completely free.
Wow.
And families really learn how to put these strategies in place. So it's a really beneficial program, and I think one of the kind of secret sauces of our program is that the parents get to work together with their peers.
Really?
So behavior can be really isolating, and in a program like RIP, you get a chance to engage with other parents who are going through the same thing that you are.
Okay, well, what would you say to a family or a parent that's looking at this and they're wondering, do I need to come in to get some help with my child? What would be your advice to them?
I would say just come and take a tour. See if it feels right. Give us a phone call. We can talk it through with you. Take that tour and just go from there.
So just be open at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Well, thank you both for being here and sharing your insight. We appreciate it, folks. We're going to have more information about the festival on our website. Just go to WKRN.com.